By 2026, the global push for AI infrastructure has triggered $700 billion in spending, but that digital investment is hitting a hard physical limit. This chart tracks the shift in foundry revenue. While Samsung's revenue shrank 4%, TSMC grew its top line by over 36%, reaching $122 billion. That growth gives TSMC control over 72%. To understand why this monopoly exists, we have to look past the finance and zoom into the engineering of the atomic scale. For over a decade, the industry used a transistor architecture called FinFET. But as features shrunk toward the 2-nanometer scale, electrons began to leak out of the physical channel, causing chips to waste energy and overheat. TSMC's answer is the nanosheet gate-all-around transistor. In this design, the gate doesn't just sit on top of the channel, it wraps entirely around all 4 sides. This complete enclosure stops the leakage, providing a 30% reduction in power consumption. That efficiency sustains the $80 billion edge AI market. It allows humanoid robots and smartphones to run complex models locally without draining their batteries in minutes. Mastering this microscopic physics is what gave Taiwan an insurmountable lead over every other manufacturer. While the industry has obsessed over shrinking the transistor, the true constraint on the AI revolution has moved to the macro scale. This rectangle represents the reticle limit, the maximum size a lithography machine can print. Modern AI processors have become so large they have breached this limit. They are physically too big to be printed as a single chip. The resolution is a process called CoWoS, or chip on wafer on substrate. This animation shows the stitching process. TSMC manufactures smaller chiplets and then painstakingly stitches them back together onto a silicon base to create a single massive compute engine. TSMC is currently the only firm capable of doing this at a commercial scale. To meet the backlog of orders, they are doubling their CoWoS capacity to 130,000 wafers a month by the end of 2026. This capacity has shifted the rankings of TSMC's major clients. Broadcom is rising to the top by designing custom, stitched-together processors, specifically for the massive scale of Google and OpenAI. In the modern AI era, whoever controls the physical machinery to package these massive chips dictates the pace of global innovation. We are living in the more than more timeline. While shrinking transistors continues, physical integration and advanced packaging have become the primary drivers of performance. TSMC's mastery of both 2-nanometer logic and CoWoS packaging has cemented Taiwan's silicon shield, making the island the physical anchor of the global economy. To protect that position, the company has set a 2026 capital expenditure budget of up to $56 billion. They are building new fabrication plants in Arizona, Japan, and Germany to decentralize their manufacturing capacity. Trillion-dollar software projections are capped by the exact number of wafers TSMC can package each month. To understand the future of AI, stop watching software updates and start tracking packaging capacity.